In this video, I will guide you how you can add Bitcoin to MetaMask. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, while MetaMask does not directly support the Bitcoin network, you can still manage Bitcoin through wrapped BTC, which is wrapped Bitcoin. On compatible networks, WBTC is a tokenized version of Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain, which make it possible to use Bitcoin within Ethereum environment. Now to add your WBTC into your MetaMask, what you need to do is to simply head over to the coin market cap and simply search for BTC, and once you search for this you just need to go for it, and now you just gonna need to look for the option of contracts, which is going to be right in this place. Click on the more and you can simply go for this option of add to MetaMask. If I click on it right now, the network is not supported, so let's change our network, which is going to be Polygon mainnet. Just I am going for the example, so let's add it. Now once you're done, you can now go back and then click on the add to MetaMask. Make sure that your right network is selected. Then you just need to click on this add token, and as you can see we have successfully added our wrapped BTC. Now you can click on it and then you can receive it just like so. Make sure to receive a small amount first of all, like $5 or $10, and once you receive it you just need to then proceed for the larger amount. So that's the way of how you can add Bitcoin to MetaMask.